Good morning everyone. Welcome to the English class. In today's class, we will learn the use of this, that, these and those. Okay? So let's start. Let's take first this. Children, this is used for a noun which is one in counting. Counting में कितना होता है? One and near to us. One in counting and near to us. Let's take the example. What do you see? One apple. What do you see? One apple, and that is near to me also. So what we will write? This is an apple. Okay? And means what? One. This is an apple. Why we have used this? Because apple is one in counting and near to me. Take another example. What do you see? How many pencils are there? Only one. And that is also near to me. So what we'll write? This is a pencil. Means what? One. This pencil is one in counting and near to me also. See another example. What do you see? A jug, isn't it? A jug. And how many jugs are there? Only one is there. So what will, and jug is near also. So what will write? This is a jug. Okay children? How many? One jug and near also. So we have used this is a jug. If a noun is one in counting and near to you or me, what we use? This. Understood? Now let's take that. Children, we take or use that for a noun which is one in counting, but it should far from us. Okay? One in counting but far from us. If the noun is one in counting and far from us, what do we use? That. See the example. How many flowers do you see? Only one flower. How many? One. But the flower is far from me. So what will I use? That is a flower. Means what? One. Means what? One. And the flower is far from me. So what I have used? That. Take some other example. What is it? A hut. Isn't it? What is it? A hut. And how many are there? Only one in counting. But it is far from me. Isn't it? So what will we write? That is a hut. One in counting and far from me. Okay? Take one more example. What do you see? A mango, isn't it? And how many mangoes are there? Only one mango. And mango is far from me. So what will I write? That is a that, and a means one in counting, isn't it? That is used if noun is one in counting and far from us. Understood? Now let's take these. When noun is more than one, plural, and near to us, what do we use? These. More than one and near to us. Then what do we use? These. Let's take the examples. What do you see? What do you see? Balls. And how many balls are there? 3. 1, 2, 3. And 3 is more than 1. And balls are near also. Isn't it? So what we will write? These are balls. Okay? These are balls because balls are more than one and near to us. So these are balls. Let's take one more example. What do you see? Tables. And how many tables are there? 1, 2. And 2 is more than 1. So what will we use? These are tables. Tables. Why these? Because tables are more than one and near to us. Okay? So if nouns are more than one and near to us, what do we use? We use these. Let's take one more example. What do you see? Yes, your favorite one. How many toffees are there? 1, 2, 3. And 3 means more than one, isn't it? So, these are toffees. Why? Because toffees are more than one and what? Near to me. Understood, children? When the nouns are more than one and near to us, what do we use? These. Okay? In the last, let's take those. Children, we use those with nouns which are more than one. More than one. But far from us. Okay? More than one, but far from us. Let's take the example. What do you see? Stars. And how many stars are there? More than one. So what we will use? Those are stars. Why we have used this? Because stars are more than one and far from us. So what we use? Those. Let's take more examples. How many trees do you see? More than one. 1 and 2. And 2 is more than one and far from us. Isn't it? So what we'll do? We'll write those are trees. Okay, children? Those are trees. Or let's take what do you see? Duck. And how many ducks are there? 2. And 2 is more than one. So what do we write? Those are ducks. Why? Because ducks are more than one and far from us. Okay? So, for nouns which are more than one and far from us, we use those. I hope, children, now you all have understood the use of this, that, these and those. Okay? Keep revising, keep learning.